Brewery from Denver, Colorado. Their barrel-aged Doppelbock. Can their barrel-aged Doppelbock meet expectations? Let's find out. I'm Pete LaFrance from BeerBasics.com, and this is Meeting Expectations. We're at the Henry Street Ale House in Brooklyn, New York. The link can be found in the description box below. And we're about to try Seedstock Brewery's barrel-aged Doppelbock. Now, this was sent to me by the folks at Seedstock, and it is in a crowler. So it has not been released yet, so we're going to be tasting something exciting. If you're into tasting beers, and if you're watching this and enjoy it, please hit the subscribe button, share us, and I tell you, the thumbs up would help, but the subscribe really what we look forward to being able to see you every week. Okay, now it says on here that this is a barrel-aged Doppelbock, 10% by alcohol, and it pairs well with, it says on here, and I can't read too well, I got the glasses, but it says brunch. Now I don't know what brunch is, but it was put in the can here Saturday, it was September 22nd. So it was put in the can September 22nd. I can give you the rest of the information that they sent us. It'll be in the description box below. But these guys have been briefed. Who's been briefed? Who's behind the bar today? It's
Jerry Scott
and
Jim Bennett.
All right, and we have another taster.
Andrew.
Okay, Andy, ready? We're going to crack this open and see if, oh, wait a minute. What are we expecting? According to the information we were sent, we're expecting a ruby malt.
Ruby colored, dark, sweet. Yeah, probably not much on the hops, and a very strong alcohol content. Yeah.
All right, well, let's crack this open and see if it meets expectations. Oh, wow. Ooh. That is ruby.
Nice color. Ruby Tuesday.
It is.
Pretty good.
Okay.
Pretty good, Jim. It's pretty dark. Can't
It
really
is.
see through all of it. You can see the ruby at the bottom.
It is.
Up to the window.
It is a dark,
It's very dark.
dense beer. And it has a bit of a head. It is holding some, but though high alcohol content will do that.
The
all right,
aroma is woody.
Wow, very woody.
Yeah.
Okay, not
Get
much.
the alcohol on the nose.
Yeah. It's almost coming across like a wine.
Yeah.
All right, the first sip. Oh wow.
It's almost tasting like a wine, except that
It is.
very malty.
It's sweet, but it's not cloying. What do you think? Sweet?
Very dark.
Yes.
Yeah, it's chocolate.
Yeah.
Definitely. Oh, there we go, raisin.
Right?
Raisin.
Oh,
Raisin, yes. It's pretty good.
It's contemplative.
Wouldn't want to drink it too fast.
No. And I've got a feeling this
Take
is.
your time kind of beer.
Yeah.
I got a feeling this is a little cool. I can imagine when this warms up a little bit, it'll start to pick up some of the, again, of the
It's very,
more of the bourbon.
it's very tasty as it is.
I am catching the
Yeah.
bourbon though. I'm getting it, but yes, with
Yeah.
a little temperature change, we might catch a little more of that, I would say.
Yeah, I'd say it's more than this temperature because I think it'd be probably too much flavor at the warm
It's
temperature.
pretty intense. There's a lot going on in there.
Yep.
That's actually.
It's kind of like life.
Yeah,
a lot going on.
A lot going on.
Deep,
Pretty
deep,
intense.
deep taste.
So, a contemplative beer.
Indeed.
There we go.
That's our first contemplative beer.
Well,
May not be for everyone, but it's for me.
all right. So, there's the answer. It doesn't meet expectations.
It does.
I say it does. Yeah.
It's a nice. It's a Doppelbock.
That's what they described it to be.
Yep.
And did a good job of making it.
They reached their intended goal, I'd say.
All right. Well, I'm Pete LaFrance for BeerBasics.com, meeting expectations, and right now we have found that Seedstock